What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I'm Hannah Dawson. I am owner and creator of Fitness Ministry, where I inspire women just like you to love the skin you're in through faith, fitness, and food. And I do this by teaching you how to train with a purpose, eat with a purpose, and how to have faith through the process. What's up, you guys? So welcome to my vlog, my competition prep vlog. So I'm going over in this vlog, this is peak week for me. So just essentially the food that I've been eating. I didn't have time to record it. I have some pictures here for you guys to show you just a little bit of what I've been eating. If this is something more that interests you guys, I do have some exciting things coming up. I will explain later. As well as in the video, I'm going over my last workout. Wednesday was the last workout that I could have. It's a full body. It's an awesome workout. You'll love it. Give it a try. If you want the workout or workouts like that, you can join my Fit Club. I'll put everything in the show notes below, you guys, as well as I will be going over my posing, showing you my posing. I'm not saying I'm teaching posing. I'm just showing you how I'm really working through posing and trying to get my posing better. As well as, you guys, don't forget to subscribe or give me a thumbs up. Make sure you leave your comments in the comment box below and hit that little notification bell if you haven't, so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So you guys, what I said about the food, I am going to be having a live masterclass teaching you guys on what macros are. I did a poll on social media, and this was the biggest thing that people want to know. As well as not just a masterclass, you guys, but I'm going to be creating a course called What the Macro. And it's going to be teaching you all about macros, understanding what they are, understanding food, also understanding carb cycling, because you can't understand carb cycling if you don't understand macros. It really is simple, you guys. It's just been overcomplicated. So I'm in the middle of creating a course for you guys where it simplifies everything, because here's the thing. If you don't understand what you're putting in your body or how much you need to put in your body, you will never feel in control of food. You'll always battle this negative relationship with food. It's the same as your finances. You need to know your finances. You need to know how much you make. You need to know if you have debt. You need to know what you need to pay. You need to know that. That's really important. It's a part of survival. Our food is the same for our body. It's one thing to rely on a fitness person to create us a program, but and that's great, and I still rely on those things too, but I understand food now, so I know how much of everything I need to eat. I know what my body likes, what my body doesn't, how my body responds to things. I know that. It's so important that we're educated on what we're putting into our body and why we're putting it into our body. And so this course, you guys, is going to cover everything. I'm really, really excited for it. So if this is something that does interest you, if you haven't already subscribed to my email list, I'll put the link below, as well as if you want to send me an email with any questions, feel free. I'm always happy to help. Anyways, you guys, that is it. Oh, I have one more course coming out too that I'll just quickly share. I'll let you guys know when these courses are launched. It's called Your Best Self Project. And essentially this course is overcoming image distortion, body dysmorphia, building that relationship with yourself back again so that you can be the woman that you were always created to be, with no masks, fully embracing yourself, fully embracing that God-given identity, who you are, what you were called to this earth to do. And if we don't have a good relationship with ourselves, it doesn't matter what diet, nutrition, Botox, implants, plastic surgery, Louis Vuitton bags, cars, money, travel. Those things don't matter. They're so exterior. When you can get real with who you are and know that your worth is so much more than a handbag or than material things, when you can really get real and really break down those walls and be faced with maybe that that real you and be vulnerable enough to work on that, everything changes. So anyways, you guys, that is the next course to come. I'm really, really excited for it, as this is the heart of me. This is the heart of something that I've really battled throughout my life, and God has really brought me through. And I believe I have a lot of value to share with you guys. And I believe what I've learned will add value and will really help you be able to implement it in your life, because into everything in our life, you guys. It transcends into our relationships with people. It transcends into our relationships with our children, our workplace, our personality, our relationships with our husbands, our relationship with food. And so it's so important. And this is something, has taken me years and years. And I'm not by any means there, made it, but I have overcame things, and I can't wait to share with you guys. So again, if any of this interests you, give me a comment, say yes below. I'm excited. Give me a thumbs up and enjoy the rest of the video, you guys. I love you all. Bye. All right, you guys, so here's some of my food before peak week. This is what I'd have every morning. I switched to a plant-based protein by Blessed. This one's salted caramel, so good. I'd put some Fatso peanut butter and PB2 and some almond milk. I would shake and drink first thing in the morning. I love it. I look forward to it. I can't wait to have it again. I do Carb Cycle, you guys, so this would be something of a low-carb dinner that I would have, would be a turkey burger. I would make about 8 to 10 patties during the week, and then I would eat them throughout the week, either in a bunless burger or like a burger bowl, something like that. It would be mainly for dinner time. On a high-carb day, I'd have something like this: tacos with corn tortillas, salad with cucumbers, raspberry vinaigrette. We've got chicken, potatoes, chicken, salad. These are mainly low carb because it was competition week, and again, a burger bowl. Another drink I drink in the morning is this green detox smoothie. This is also, all these recipes are in my Fit Club, you guys. You get all of these recipes in there, so this is one of them. This drink makes you feel amazing after you drink it. Now for peak week, you guys, literally I've been eating chicken. I put some spices on it. I'm drinking 6 liters, about 6 liters of water. I'm eating fish and asparagus almost every single meal. I ate some salmon with no salt seasoning, cucumbers, and my last meal, you guys, is chicken with cucumber. All right, you guys, so this was my last workout that I did before I compete. This workout is in the Fit Club as well. This is a full body. I'm doing a deadlift with a row to a bicep curl to an overhead press, and then I am doing a side lunge, banded side lunge. These burn so good. So I just did a full body. I was drenched in sweat. This exact workout is my Fit Club. And then I was doing a burpee with an upright row, getting the heart rate up, doing that interval kind of HIIT training, as well as working those muscles. And then I went right into a seesaw row here with a band. Bands are amazing, you guys, for just a different variety. Instead of just using weights, they burn like crazy. They're amazing. And then I went right up into a front raise, and everything was timed, so it was burned even more, but it feels so good. This is such a good workout, so give it a try. Then I went right into a banded squat hold. Yikes. I kept looking at the time on my camera to see if I was done, because this was burning. My legs were shaking. This one is really good. And then I went into an in-out kettlebell swing. Remember, you want to hip hinge when you kettlebell swing, not squat. You just want to hip hinge. Drive those hips back and squeeze the glutes forward. And then I finished off here with one of my favorites. It's like a bear crawl hip drop. Hands stacked under shoulders, knees stacked under hips. Knees hover above the ground, and you twist your hips to the ground. You guys, this is the Fit Club workout. I've been doing these to prepare for my competition. They did amazing at leaning me out. If you want information on the Fit Club, everything will be in the show notes. Thank you for watching, you guys. Stay tuned for how I'm doing after competing. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and enjoy your day. Bye, guys. Awesome, you guys. Thanks for watching. As you've seen that last two videos, my posing, that is the Fit Club, you guys. That is the online workouts I've created that change every single month. And they are so amazing, and it's so simple and so self-explanatory. As well as meal plans come with it, you guys. It is amazing. I do the workouts. These workouts got my body lean for a competition. So check out the show notes. The links will be below. Join the Fit Club. Become a Fit Club babe, and we will get you to your goal. All right, you guys. Mwah. Love you all. See you soon.